Mastering Power BI, a comprehensive workflow. To effectively master Power BI and deliver high-quality insights, it's crucial to follow a structured workflow. This approach will help you set clear expectations, define and measure key outcomes, improve accuracy and efficiency, and consistently produce insightful work. Below is an elaborated framework that outlines each step in detail. Part 1. Understand the business case. 1. Define objectives. Identify the primary goals of the Power BI project. Engage with stakeholders to understand their needs and expectations. Determine how Power BI can address specific business challenges. 2. Stakeholder analysis. Identify key stakeholders and their roles in the project. Assess their influence and interest levels to tailor communication strategies. Schedule regular check-ins to ensure alignment throughout the project. 3. Success criteria. Establish clear success metrics that align with business objectives. Define what success looks like for each stakeholder group. Document these criteria to guide the project and facilitate evaluation. B. Build a measurement plan. 1. The key performance indicators, KPIs. Identify relevant KPIs that will measure the success of the project. Ensure KPIs are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Prioritize KPIs based on their importance to the business case. 2. Data sources. List all potential data sources that will feed into Power BI. Evaluate the reliability and accessibility of each data source. Ensure that the data sources align with the KPIs for effective measurement. 3. Reporting framework. Develop a framework for how reports will be structured and presented. Determine the frequency of reporting, e.g., weekly, monthly, quarterly. Outline the format and visualizations that will be used to communicate insights. C. Collect and prepare the data. 1. Data collection. Gather data from identified sources, ensuring that it is complete and accurate. Utilize automated data collection tools when possible to enhance efficiency. Document the data collection process for transparency and reproducibility. 2. Data cleaning. Identify and rectify any inconsistencies, duplicates, or errors in the data. Standardize data formats and structures to ensure uniformity. Create a data dictionary that defines each data element for clarity. 3. Data transformation. Transform raw data into a format suitable for analysis and visualization. Utilize Power Query to perform necessary transformations, such as filtering, merging, and aggregating data. Ensure that the transformed data aligns with the measurement plan and KPIs. D. Understand the data. 1. Data exploration. Conduct exploratory data analysis, EDA, to uncover patterns and trends. Use descriptive statistics to summarize the main characteristics of the data. Visualize data distributions to identify anomalies or outliers. 2. Data relationships. Analyze relationships between different data sets to understand their interdependencies. Create entity relationship diagrams